again, it's Mrs. Fix-It, and today we're going to do the back brakes on a 2011 Kia Soul. Really similar to the front brakes, there's not much difference at all. I've got my stuff here. I've got my rope to tie up the caliper. I've got the brake pads over here, the new ones, and they're super tiny. I was kind of shocked. Look how small he is. That's craziness. And I've got my WD-40, my ratchet set, and just like before, I don't have a 10mm socket, so I had to use a 9/16. And then I've got my C-clamp to push in the piston. And for safety reasons, I got my tire underneath my car. I got the car jacked up, and this is the old brake pads over here. So we're gonna get to it and see how things go. Be right back.